Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 4 minutes. And you can also download this free animated template from the link in my description below. But first, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to watch this video till end. So let's start. First of all, what you have to do is open up a blank slide, go into tab and insert a 3D model of Earth, this one right here. Next, it will take some time to insert this 3D model because it is a 3D model and it is a really complex illustration which takes time to be inserted. So what we're gonna do is just put it right here, increase its size by pressing Control and then dragging it right here like this. The next thing we're going to do is move it on to the left side of our template. Go to Format Background and give the background a black fill. Insert a text box in which we're going to write our title. Increase its size. Change its shadow. Send it to the back. Move it to the right side. Insert more text box for more information and other details. Next, we're gonna insert on corner rectangle, remove its fill, give it an outline of white color. We're gonna insert some text in it, and then we're gonna give the second one a fill and remove its outline, and give it a fill of black text. We're gonna duplicate our slide and then rotate our like the earth and move everything out of our slide, the text. Duplicate the slide and move everything out of your slide. Rotate the earth. Next, what we're going to do is insert a rectangle right here, remove its outline, give it a fill, duplicate it, and put it right here like this. Select both of them, group them, and change their fill to white color. We're going to duplicate it and then rotate it, and then group them, and then duplicate them, and then rotate them like this. Change their fill to black. Put it on this continent, which is Africa. We're gonna add some content, and then we're gonna add our title, which is the name of the country the camera scans are right on. Increase its size. You're gonna insert your like the content text, duplicate your slide, move the art onto the right side, and you're done. Just rotate it a bit to see the other continent, and we're gonna change the name of the continent. Decrease its size. Then you have to insert your like the content text and move the camera arrow onto the that art. So next we're gonna rotate the art again. You can just rotate it right here from here, but it will take time to load, so we can just manually use it right here. We're gonna change the name, duplicate the first line like the second one, select it and move it here. Apply morph transition to all of your templates, and that's all complete. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. See you in another video soon.